Greetings, car enthusiasts. Today, we're hitting the accelerator and diving into the world of automotive innovation. Get ready to buckle up as we explore the most cutting-edge car technologies of 2023. I'm your host, Knowledge to You, and you're watching our YouTube channel. Let's embark on this thrilling ride together. Autonomous driving, beyond the steering wheel. The future of driving is here, and it's autonomous. In this segment, we'll delve into the exciting advancements in autonomous driving technology. We'll discuss features like advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, self-parking capabilities, and even fully autonomous vehicles. But we don't want to just talk about it, we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts on autonomous driving in the comments section below. Are you excited about the prospect of self-driving cars, or do you have concerns? Electric revolution, charging forward. The automotive world is undergoing an electrifying transformation. In this segment, we'll explore the latest innovations in electric vehicle (EV) technology. From extended range and faster charging to advancements in battery technology, we'll showcase the incredible strides being made in the EV industry. As we discuss these advancements, tell us in the comments section whether you're considering going electric in the near future or what factors are holding you back. Augmented reality in the cockpit. Buckle up for a mind-bending experience. Augmented reality, AR, is reshaping the way we interact with our cars. In this segment, we'll explore how AR is revolutionizing the cockpit experience. Imagine having important information projected onto your windshield or even interacting with virtual objects in real time. We'll showcase some of the latest AR features in cars and want to know which AR application excites you the most. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Connected cars, stay linked on the road. Welcome to the era of connected cars. In this interactive segment, we'll dive into the world of car connectivity. From smart infotainment systems and voice assistants to vehicle-to-vehicle communication, cars are becoming more interconnected than ever before. But what's your take on this connectivity revolution? Do you embrace the convenience of a connected car, or do you have concerns about privacy and security? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Future Tech Preview, what's on the horizon? Fasten your seatbelts, it's time to glimpse into the future. In this segment, we'll take a sneak peek at the emerging technologies and concepts that could shape the cars of tomorrow. We'll explore futuristic features like biometric sensors, advanced augmented reality displays, and even flying cars. Share your thoughts and expectations for the future of car technology in the comments below. What features or innovations do you hope to see in the cars of the future? We've reached the end of our exhilarating journey through the most innovative car technologies of 2023. We hope you enjoyed this engaging and interactive exploration of the automotive industry's cutting-edge advancements. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any future tech-focused content. Until next time, keep dreaming of the extraordinary possibilities that lie ahead on the road. This is Knowledge to You, signing off.